World Cup round the corner. Who is your favorite team to win the title?
India.
Of course, that is from the patriotic point of view, but as a sportsman,
I think India have got a great chance to win the cup because India is a very, very strong team. They're playing at home and they know the conditions better than any other team. But obviously, World Cup pressure is something which they need to handle it better than the others, which is the most important thing. I think Australia is always a good team and a contender to win any cup. And South Africa, they have played outstanding cricket and they have got a great team. And apart from that, I think Afghanistan is also a very, very good team with their spinners. I think they can beat anyone. So these are my four pick for the semis and India winning the cup. That's what I believe.
लेजेंड्स 90 पे कुछ बात कर लेते हैं. You've got ये पुराना रियूनियन लग रहा है of the old 90s. Do you consider it like a reunion sort of a thing? क्योंकि लेजेंड्स लीग 3 या 4 हो गए और आप लोग वही सेम लाइनअप है, whether it's Chris Gayle, you, everyone. So it's like a reunion.
बिल्कुल. देखिए, जहाँ जहाँ दोबारा खेलने की एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, वी ऑल गेट रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट, क्योंकि यही एक चीज़ है जो क्रिकेटर्स को आती है ठीक से करनी. और to be able to play again with our mates from different part of the world, it's a great pleasure. And of course वो competitiveness जो पहले थी वो आज भी है, लेकिन शायद अब वो competitiveness के साथ
Sledging
साथ वो स्लेजिंग कभी कभार इससे ज़्यादा भी हो जाती है, कम भी हो जाती है, बट अब दोस्ती जो है वो बहुत बरकरार हो गई है पहले से, क्योंकि इतने सालों से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. बट इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू कम टुगेदर ऑन वन प्लेटफॉर्म एंड स्टार्ट एंटरटेनिंग आवर फैंस अगेन. तो इट्स गुड टू बी कनेक्टेड अगेन with Legends 90, and I'm hoping this will be a huge success.
Thank you.
So, who do you think will be the breakout star for India at the T20 World Cup?
We have too many guys, if I have to name one, but it'll be difficult for me to name one. I'll name few. Abhishek, I think, is going to be the key, starting from the top. And then Hardik Pandya is someone who can win you game on his own. And Surya Kumar Yadav, even though he didn't get runs, but I believe his time is now. अपना time आएगा, अभी सूर्य कुमार यादव का time आएगा. तो मुझे लगता है कि बैटिंग अगर मैं देखूँ, तिलक है, बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे खिलाड़ी हैं, बट जैसे मैंने कहा था कि ये एक नाम लेना मेरे लिए सही नहीं होगा. बॉलिंग वाइज वी हैव गॉट बुमराह, वी हैव गॉट अर्श, अनबिलीवेबल bowling lineup. So I think on any given day, if 4 to 5 guys perform, Team India will be at the top. So I won't be able to pick one player, but I'll pick many, because all of them, they are match winner. बहुत कुछ.
Within, how do you see the actions of Gill from the team? Is that giving a signal to the people that no one should take their place for granted immediately?
No, it's not a signal to Gill, that he wasn't really taking his place as granted. But the competition is so much, and they've got too many players at the present scenario who can fill the slot and can do well for the team. And this is not end of the road for Gill. He's a great player with beautiful technique. I think he will make a brilliant comeback. And not to forget, he's still a test match captain for India. तो वहाँ कोई जब मैं अजीत या फिर सूर्या की भी बात सुन रहा था, वो यही कह रहे थे कि ये कॉम्बिनेशन हम देख रहे थे, कौन सा इस फॉर्मेट के लिए कहाँ पे सेट बैठ रहा है. तो आई थिंक गिविंग दैट दोज कंडीशंस एंड कॉम्बिनेशन that respect, उस लिहाज से ये टीम चुनी गई है. तो गिल इज अ क्लास प्लेयर, there's no doubt about it, and he'll make a great comeback.
Yes, that's a shot. क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर, lovely shot, हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर.